Today we have a crazy experiment. We're going to make this light light up without any batteries and without any plugs in the wall. How do we do it? Let's find out. We need 5 materials for this experiment. We need baking soda, vinegar, lime juice, brass, and zinc. We are going to create a circuit for the electricity to pass, or in this case, a free electron. Place your liquids into 3 different containers and add a piece of brass and a piece of zinc to each container. This will be your positive and negative pole. After you have connected each liquid, you will find at the end we can attach this LED, and then using this one, there you go, you can see it lit up. Can you tell? Science is amazing. No batteries, no plugs in the wall, but we could still make a light glow. Science is amazing. Good job today. See you next time. Goodbye.